In this video, we will look at the Print tab in WordMorpher. The Print tab is used to print multiple Word and PDF documents from a selected folder. This is useful when you need to print many reports, contracts, forms, manuals, instructions, quality system documents, or PDF files without opening each file manually. First, open the Print tab. At the top, choose whether WordMorpher should include subfolders. If Include Subfolders is enabled, the program will also print supported files from folders inside the selected working folder. Next, choose the folder that contains the documents you want to print. You can print all supported files, only Word files, or only PDF files. Use the File Kind drop-down to choose the correct option, then choose the printer. If you leave the printer selection empty or unchanged, WordMorpher will use the default printer configured in your operating system. Next, enter the number of copies. If your printer supports double-sided printing, you can enable duplex. You can also enable page range if you want to print only specific pages. When page range is enabled, enter the first page in the From field and the last page in the To field. For example, if you enter from To and to 5, WordMorpher will print only pages to 5. When everything is ready, click Print. WordMorpher will start processing the files. The progress bar shows how far the operation has progressed, and the log area shows which files are being printed. If there are no matching files in the selected folder, WordMorpher will show no files to print. If a file cannot be printed, the log will help you identify the problem. You can also print only selected changed files from the Watch Files tab. This is useful when you are monitoring a folder and only want to print the documents that have changed. After printing is complete, you can export the log as TXT, CSV, or PDF. Use Clear to remove the current log, status text, and progress information before starting a new print operation. The Print tab is useful for batch printing, controlled printing by file type, duplex printing, page range printing, and printing only selected changed files. In the next video, we will look at the Doc to DocX and DocX to Doc conversion tab.